Everything you should know about Stage 2 kidney disease. Introduction. Stage 2 chronic kidney disease, CKD, is an early stage of kidney damage characterized by mild loss of kidney function. Often asymptomatic, it can go undetected without proper screening, making awareness and early intervention critical. What is Stage 2 kidney disease? Chronic kidney disease is a progressive condition marked by permanent kidney damage, classified into 5 stages based on the glomerular filtration rate, GFR, which measures how well the kidneys filter waste from the blood. Stage 2 CKD is defined by a GFR of 60 to 89 ml/min/1.73 m superscript 2, indicating mildly reduced kidney function. While the kidneys still perform most of their tasks effectively, there may be signs of damage, such as protein in the urine, albuminuria, or structural abnormalities. At this stage, proactive management can significantly slow or halt disease progression. Causes of Stage 2 kidney disease. Stage 2 CKD can result from various underlying conditions or risk factors that impair kidney function over time. The most common causes include diabetes. Uncontrolled high blood sugar damages kidney blood vessels. Hypertension. High blood pressure strains the kidney's filtering units. Glomerulonephritis. Inflammation of the glomeruli, the kidney's filtering structures. Polycystic kidney disease. A genetic disorder causing fluid-filled cysts in the kidneys. Recurrent kidney infections. Repeated infections can lead to scarring and reduced function. Obstructive uropathy. Conditions like kidney stones or an enlarged prostate that block urine flow. Autoimmune diseases. Lupus or other autoimmune conditions can affect kidney health. Prolonged use of certain medications. Overuse of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen can harm kidneys. Other factors. Obesity, smoking, and a family history of kidney disease increase risk. Symptoms of Stage 2 kidney disease. Stage 2 CKD is typically asymptomatic, meaning many individuals experience no noticeable symptoms. However, some may observe subtle signs, including changes in urine color, frequency, or volume, e.g., foamy urine due to protein. Dry or itchy skin. Fatigue or low energy. Swelling, edema, in the hands, feet, or ankles. High blood pressure. These symptoms are nonspecific and may be attributed to other conditions, underscoring the importance of regular medical screenings, especially for those with risk factors. Diagnosis. Diagnosing Stage 2 CKD requires specific tests to assess kidney function and detect damage. Blood tests. The estimated glomerular filtration rate, eGFR, is calculated based on blood creatinine levels. A GFR of 60 to 89 ml/min/1.73 m superscript 2 indicates Stage 2 CKD. Other tests, such as blood urea nitrogen, BUN, and electrolyte panels, may also be used. Urine tests. These check for albuminuria, protein in the urine, or hematuria, blood in the urine, early signs of kidney damage. Imaging tests. Renal ultrasound, CT scans, or MRI may reveal structural abnormalities, such as cysts or blockages. Kidney biopsy. In rare cases, a biopsy is performed to determine the cause of kidney damage. Because Stage 2 CKD often lacks symptoms, diagnosis typically occurs during routine screenings, particularly for individuals with risk factors like diabetes, hypertension, or a family history of kidney disease. Treatment options. While kidney damage in Stage 2 CKD is irreversible, the goal of treatment is to address underlying causes, manage symptoms, and prevent progression to later stages. Treatment strategies include managing underlying conditions. Diabetes. Tight glucose control through diet, exercise, and medications like insulin or oral hypoglycemics. Hypertension. Medications such as ACE inhibitors or angiotensin II receptor blockers, ARBs, to lower blood pressure and protect kidney function. Other conditions. Treating infections, autoimmune diseases, or obstructions as needed. Medications. Finerenone, Kerendia, may be prescribed for CKD associated with type 2 diabetes to reduce the risk of kidney function decline, kidney failure, or cardiovascular complications. Regular monitoring. Routine blood and urine tests to track eGFR, creatinine, and other markers to ensure treatment effectiveness. Lifestyle modifications. Lifestyle recommendations for Stage 2 CKD. Adopting a kidney-friendly lifestyle is critical for managing Stage 2 CKD and preventing further damage. Key recommendations include dietary changes. Reduce sodium. Limit salt intake to manage blood pressure and reduce kidney strain. Avoid processed foods, canned soups, and fast food. Moderate protein. Excessive protein, from animal or plant sources, can stress the kidneys. Consult a dietitian to determine appropriate intake. Focus on whole foods. Include fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins like fish or poultry. Unlike later stages, potassium and phosphorus restrictions are typically unnecessary in Stage 2 unless advised by a doctor. Limit sugary and fatty foods. These can exacerbate diabetes or obesity, worsening kidney health. Hydration. Drink adequate water unless restricted by a healthcare provider, as proper hydration supports kidney function. Exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity, e.g., walking, cycling, or swimming, most days to improve cardiovascular health and control weight. Quit smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels and worsens kidney function. Seek support for cessation if needed. Limit alcohol. Excessive alcohol can harm kidneys and increase blood pressure. Working with a registered dietitian or nephrologist can help tailor these recommendations to individual needs.